So today, your stock is back from its bottom. I think your stock was peaked at maybe at $150 a share, went down to
Right.
40. Now it's back to maybe 80 or so. Was it way oversold when it went to 40? What did you think when it was at 40?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a securities trader, and I think I would be pathetic if I tried to be one. But on a level that's, I think, a little bit more about the human reaction to COVID-19. Our first reaction is fear, and it is, where can I go and be safe? What do I do about my job? What do I do about my family? What do I do about the way I interact with the community I'm in? And in a way, that's what was happening in the market too. At least this is my perspective from a distance, is the market was looking at this crisis and saying, how bad can it get? And I don't know that any of us even today know the answer to that. We know that conditions are pretty bad today, without a doubt. But when you ask anybody, how long is it going to last? We are immediately confronted with a pretty stark set of uncertain answers where we really don't know. Are we starting to creep back out of our homes in a month? Is it 3 months? Does it come back in the fall? And the market and we as society, we as a company, we as a community of Marriott associates are all sort of looking, trying to figure out the answers to that, to be ready to come back, but to be ready also to survive for as long as we need to.
So let's talk about how you're managing the company now. You're at your home in Maryland. Are you there by yourself? Is your wife with you? Your children with you? How is that working out?
Well, it's the one silver lining in this, I suppose, is that my wife and at the moment 3 of my 4 kids, they're all adults, are here too, and so they're spread out in various rooms on internet connections and telephone connections. All my kids are working and trying to connect back to their offices or their firms, do the work that needs to get done. But so I at least get to see them, and we get to share a meal at night. And as you said in the introduction, all of us, I think, have spent more time at home than has been the case for decades. And there's something about that which is nice too.